Alright, in this video we're going to go over the problem solving process. Here we're going to look at our 4 new equations that we have with kinematics and go through the problem solving process in order to find which equation works best, write down our variables, and solve for the answer that we're looking for. Up here in the top left corner are our 4 new equations, and here we have a word problem that we're going to look at. It says that you got a new motorcycle. Awesome. And you want to find out the top speed. Even better. So if you start from rest and you accelerate at 6 meters per second squared for a total distance of 250 meters, what's your top speed at the end? The first part to do is to write down what variables are given and what you're looking for. So what we're looking for here to solve is the final velocity. So we're going to say VF equals question mark. We're going to solve that. And then we go back through and read that acceleration is given. So acceleration equals 6 meters per second squared. And I know that I have a total change in distance, my delta x, is equal to 250 meters. And the last part, which isn't implicitly said, but it says that I start from rest, so that means that my initial velocity is 0. So I am looking to find an equation that has initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and change in position. And one thing that's omitted from this problem is time. Now there's only one of our equations that works best for this, and that is the third one down. So we're going to write out here, it says V final squared is equal to V initial squared plus 2A change in position. So this equation fits all our requirements. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reevaluate our equation to make sure that we're looking to solve for the variable that we need. Final velocity, it's already on the right side, so everything looks good. So now I'm going to plug in the variables that are provided. My initial velocity goes to 0. My rate of acceleration is 6 meters per second squared, and my change in position is 250 meters. And all of that is equal to my final velocity squared. So when I multiply 2 times 6 times 250, I get that my final velocity squared is equal to 3,250. Now all I have to do is square root both sides, and in the end I find that I have a final velocity of 57 meters per second. Awesome.